Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators, and this is a weekly market forecast for the week of August 29, 2021. The S&P 500, Nasdaq, and the Dow Jones continue to push higher regardless of uncertainty surrounding the pandemic, inflation fear, tapering, and Afghanistan evacuation problem. On Friday, the market is pushing up following the news that the Federal Reserve may tighten the monetary policy before the year end, but not in rush to increase the interest rate yet until 2022. So, with due to the economic expansion and improvement employment situation, and the 10 years Treasury note also came down a little bit, also have the technology stock to move higher. Some important sectors start turning around that can keep the market going up. I will show you later. So we will focus on that sector and looking for the stock to trade for the next week. So now let's take a look on the major index to see what they are doing so that you can see where we are at. So first of all, let's look at the S&P 500. So the overall, the market is still at one day after the bomb explosion, they pulled back down, but it's not have enough momentum to put the market to go lower. So on Friday, after the meeting of the Fed, and then after hit the announcement, and then the market it continued to push it up to the upside. So the overall trend is still bullish. So we will stick with uptrend until they change direction. Okay, the market has been going up for a long time, but as long as the chart shows you that it's still going up, we will stick with the uptrend. And the Nasdaq is also very strong to push it up. Also, as you can see here, they continue to make it all-time high and push it up higher. The Dow it also try to catch up, and then they have not making highs last week, but they have built up some momentum to continue to push it up higher also. Look at the crude oil. The crude oil is still choppy here, but at this moment they try to get back to retest the 70 level up here. So if they can break out, it will continue to go up. Otherwise, they will have some resistance here. Let's see how they are doing over here. It depends on the how high demand it, the people need oil for the recovery here. And if you look at the natural gas, it also put it back up. So you can see that the oil and the gas, natural gas, it try to put it back up at the hurricane that get into the Louisiana area. So that will can cause a little bit spy up on the natural gas and the oil here. And if you look at the gold it also try to gain some momentum here. So if they can push it back up, if they can clear this resistance here, they can get up to this level there. Okay, let's see. So the momentum also pick up on Friday. So that after the Fed meeting, and the gold is still continue to push it up there. If you look at the Bitcoin, it's still very strong. As you can see here, they continue to have high low to the upside. So the trend is still fully in the upside right now. Look at the Ethereum, it also put it up. They hit the resistance, they pull back, but momentum is still up there. So they are not slowing down. So in the future, that Bitcoin and Ethereum, if they break this level here, they will continue to put it up to the upside again. So you know that the trading is a risky business. It's not a get-rich scheme like many people are thinking. If you don't know technical analysis and understand the market psychology and the proper risk management techniques, then for sure you are at risk. The expert trader course offered by Stock Navigator teach the right education to fit your trading objective. To be a successful trader or investor, we train, mentor, and empower thousands of our students to operate 100% independently to navigate the market with the confidence. But we understand it's hard for you to know everything overnight, so we will mentor and support you every day on our live Q&A with multiple instructors until you are successful. And we will guide you in our live 24-hour Discord community so that you can get the support by our strong community with thousands of members so that you can follow along. This is the only way that you can build your own financial freedom. So now let's take a look on deep insight to the sector rotation and looking for the good stock to trade for the next week. So one important sector that you should pay attention that the small and mid cap stock, like Russell 2000, you see a lot of stock here because the market is still continue to push it back up. If this sector will be able to turn around and keep the market alive and move it higher to the future here. So as you can see here, the Russell 2000 have been ran bound between the top and the bottom here. So people buy here, sell here, buy here, sell there, buy here. Okay, so right now they'll be able to break the middle line here, and with a strong momentum on Friday, and they are trying to get back to the upside quickly here. Okay, so this is very important sector that we have to take a look, because if the Russell 2000 index here to be able to turn around here, they will push up and a lot of mid and small cap stock to the upside. So if you like Cathy Wood, her pick, a lot of problem on the her account for the last couple of months here. So now they be able to push it back up. So a couple of them like ARKK, watch out for the breakout here. If they can clear this resistance here, they will try to turn around there. And ARKW, which is a next generation on the internet, also try to find a way to break out there. And her favorite stock, as you can see here, that the PLTR. So this stock has been sideways choppy for a while, but now they'll be able to gain some momentum and push it back up. If they can clear this resistance here, they will be able to push it up higher into the future here. And couple of small cap stock, they are still trying to find a way back up here, like AMIS. So this one here, after they slam it down, they found a support. Now they run back up, so the momentum pick up on Friday. So if they can clear this resistance here, they will continue to put it up to the upside. And another one here, it also try to clear up this resistance here, so they gain some strong momentum on Friday. So the FFTY here, if this one it can clear up this resistance here, they will continue to put it up to the upside. And couple the other stock like BMBL, that's the mid cap stock. That one that they slam it down here since the IPO, but they'll be able to gain some momentum and looking forward to put it up next week here. Another one like AQUA, okay, this one is also very strong. They are to put it up to the upside. So so you focus on a lot of small and mid cap stock with a good fundamental. Definitely they are looking forward to put it up to the upside there. And another couple of strong sector that we pay attention, that the energy sector. The energy sector also tries to rebound from the support here. After they pull back down, they found a support. Now they push it back up. They still have a lot of work to move, but in the short term, we're looking for some rebound to trade on the energy sector. So a lot of stock in this sector, like Canadian Natural Resource, they gain the momentum on Friday. It's another small one, that the LPI, Laredo Petroleum. This one here, it also try to find to put it back up. And I focus on a small mid cap stock here. This is another one, that the Marathon Petro Corporation, MPC, continue to put it up there. And Occidental Petroleum, it also put back down fire support. Now they run short term, put it back to the upside there. And I see that another one here, Range Resort. This one here, they found support, push it back up. So those stocks in the energy sector, they strong rebound back for the upside. So monitor it and put in your checklist your watchlist to see that where they're heading to. Okay, the healthcare sector have they after the run up, so people took the profit. The overall momentum is still up there, but in the short term, that you see a lot of correction there, like Moderna, Pfizer, Johnson Johnson, a lot of vaccine company, they have been pulled back for last week there. Okay, so but they have a strong support coming in. So as you can see there, if they can hold up, they will continue to push it up in the future here. Another strong sector that you can see that they are the key pushing up of the market, that the technology with a low interest rate and the 10-year treasury note it coming down. As you can see here, that will have those sector push it, like I told you last week. They want to push it back up, they hit the resistance here, they slam it down. They will have a lot of technology stock to go higher. Okay, and so that's the technology. Talk about the technology stock. We're going to pick up some of the stock here. First of all, I'm going to pick the Amazon. Amazon, after they now earning, they slam it down, but they find a support here. Now they try to buy back up. So in the short term, we're looking for some put it back up to the resistance level over here. And another one, a strong one that we have been highlighted for you since last week. And this one is continue to push it up to the upside. And this is one of the stock we highlight in our watch list also. Okay, and Netflix try to find a way to break out this area here. If they can clear this resistance here, this one will be more bullish in the future. And some stock like now it's very strong and still put it upside. It's a little bit extended, but they need to well, you need to buy on a pullback. Okay, let me see here, CIEN. Okay, that's in China Corporation. So this one here try to put it back up. If they continue to hold up here and they get some momentum here, they can put it up to the upside also. And in terms of technology, some of the semiconductor is still doing extremely well here. As you can see here, they continue to break through this level and continue to put to the upside. So a lot of stock there we already showed you last week, and some of them will try to turn around, like Applied Material, right? So they are trying to get back and move it to the upside again. Besides this stock, if you are busy working, you can subscribe to our Wall Street Premium Watchlist, where we handpick about 5 best stocks every week and analyze in detail with the entry, stop loss, and the target so that you can follow. For example, like in the last couple of weeks here, we have a couple of stocks here I want to show you here. So let's say DVAX, we put out last week, so we enter here. So in 1 week, they hit our target right away. ETSY, that's another one we enter here and continue to put it up. JBHT, that's another one, it's strong move to the upside. Nvidia, that's another pick it when it break out here, continue to put it up to the upside. One important sector that I forgot to tell you, that the financial sector. The financial sector is also very strong, as you can see here, with a lot of money they're going to flow to the market on the stimulus money there. So that one will help the financial to continue to put it back up. If they can clear that area here next week, the financial will gain some momentum and push it up to the upside with a cup handle pattern here. And a lot of stock, it's so many stock in financial here, but you pick up some of them. Okay, like American Express, as you can see here, they pull back down right to support, continue break out to put it to the upside. Bank America, they are ready to clear up this area here and put it higher. Goldman Sachs, right? You can see that this one is the strongest one in the pack. They are still moving up to the upside, and the regional bank is also doing well here. If they next week they can get up over here, they will continue to put it to the upside. All right, so I hope that you enjoy my analysis, please click the thumb up like button below. Thank you for watching. Be safe and healthy. Good luck in your trading and take care, everyone.